When your world fractures, you don't just lose a partner. You lose the anchor of you. The papers say divorce. But what stays behind is silence, space, a father's shadow on a distant wall. This is the pain point. Your identity pulled, your purpose scattered. You're not just separated, you're untethered. Vault Core from Art Hall's gallery was forged for that moment. When the heart goes silent, but the spark remains. Reforge the you they tried to erase. Hang this where the rebuilding begins. Let the whisper of light remind you, you are still here. You still matter. Art Hall's gallery. Power your second act.